places that you know seem like fantasy. There's a light inside your soul that's still shining in the cold, with the truth, the promise in our hearts. Don't forget, I'm with you in the dark.
Gorden was cross. Why should Henry get a new shape? Any shape that's made for me is good enough for him. He goes gallivanting off to crew, and leaving us doing all his work. And another thing, said Gorden, he whistles too much in stations. It isn't wrong, but we just don't do it. Never mind them, said Percy. I like your whistling. Goodbye, Henry, said Gorden. Remember what I said about whistling. Later that day, Henry met up with Edward. Hello, Henry, said Edward. Your whistling was very good when you came back. They soon heard something. Can you hear that? It sounds like Gorden. I believe so, said Edward. It ought to be Gorden, but why is he whistling so loud? And there came Gorden, fuming from the distance. His whistle had jammed, and he was scaring the livestock. He didn't look at Henry, and he didn't look at Edward, as he plowed through the station. It isn't wrong, said Henry, but we just don't do it. And he told Edward what Gorden had told him. Gorden puffed through the countryside with his jammed whistle ear-piercing everyone. Even when he arrived at Edward's station, all the passengers had to cover their ears. The fat controller had to get into his cab just to tell his crew, "Take him away!" Gordon's whistle didn't stop until two men banged it with a hammer. That night at the sheds, Gorden was glad he got before everyone. But when everyone else got there, he just heard, "It isn't wrong," said Henry, "but we just don't do it." No one mentioned whistles.